Fish on. Keep going. Yep. That's a big one. Keep your rod down. Keep your rod down a little bit. We're gonna have to bring him up. Bring him up. Can you bring him up? Whoa, man, that's a monster. Yeah, way to go, Wes. Let's see, turn around. Turn around. Nice, look at that baiting. All right, so for today, we are up in Grand County, just outside of Granby. We're on the backside of Shadow Mountain. Masha is up on a mountain over here doing some senior pictures, so we got a couple of hours to do a little bit of fishing. We're gonna hit the lake for now, and then we're gonna go check out a river that we've fished quite a bit when we've been up here elk hunting. And we know for sure that we'll do pretty good with the trout. So we're on the dam side of the lake. Let's get down there, do some fishing. All right, so kind of got a little bit of a mess here, but so with Weston, we're just gonna do a slip sinker. He's got this catfish hook on here right now. We're gonna go ahead and switch this out for, got that big old hook. I'm gonna put this little guy on there. What's that, bud? Really? Oh yeah, look at that. There are a ton of minnows in there. Did ya? What do you think, Danny? Should we try there, or should we go up to maybe off of this point up here a little bit? Okay. Danny's gonna make a few more casts over there. I think Weston and I, yeah, we might go fish up here just to touch. Do you want this camera, Danny? Okay. All right. We'll go get set up.
Okay, I am on the dam right now, and I'm gonna make a few casts and see if I can catch anything. So, here we go. And by the way, I'm using a green rooster tail. Hopefully I can catch something. Okay, I am gonna move down and I'll let you know when I get down there.
Okay, so we're gonna fish here. I said we're just gonna use power bait. Try old Pinky. Oh shoot, this one's even brand new. Sometimes you don't know. So the idea with power bait, you gotta have enough on there, enough on your hook so that it floats. So make a nice ball. Stick that in the water. Make sure it's enough. So see how the power bait floats? That'll keep the sinker on the bottom and the power bait sitting up a little bit. So go ahead and give her a cast. And with power bait, it's easy for it to come off. So we're just gonna kind of tighten up the line there, and we're gonna let it sit and see if we have any luck. There we go. Man, it is a beautiful day.
Okay, I'm gonna make a few more casts here, and if that doesn't work, I am gonna move down some more. So wish me luck. My spinner is not spinning like it's supposed to. If I was a fish, I would be on the bottom over here. Perfect. Now, I'll let you know if I catch anything. Dang it, I just had a trout swipe at this. Here, let me see if I can try to get him. This would be cool. My spinner isn't working. That is not very good. I don't know. It'll work, whatever. Let's try to get one right here. Okay, let me try that again. Because that did not work. I just brought it right through where that fish was. I don't know why he's not there. Here, I'm gonna try and move down right here. Because I think this is where he tried to take it. Wait, I think I see him. Wait, hold on. No, that's a rock. Never mind. Let it sink. Let's see, will anything bite it? And the water is super clear.
Yeah, I don't think we've had any bites. So we've been fishing on the bottom with the power bait. I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna switch it up and put on a bobber. We're gonna take this big old weight off of here. I think I got a couple of bobbers. Yeah, I'll probably just use a bobber. And the same hook is what we're gonna use, so. These little guys right here, so these are 1/32 ounce. We got the orange, and I got some pink ones in here that I really like. And maybe whites. I have these white ones, white with a red eye. I think that's what we're gonna use. That will also help to take that power bait down to the bottom because we don't have worms with us today. Got my jig head. You see that? Just gonna tie that on. Bait, but to have some worms with us, but we don't got any. So I'm gonna take my bait here, and I'll touch more line, and I'm gonna be about 2 feet. Submerge it about 2 feet. Put that bobber on there. See how this baby casts. If we feel like we need to get out a little further, I'll just put a little split shot on there.
Okay, I moved down quite a bit, so I'm gonna try a few casts over here. I will let you know if I catch anything or get a bite. Okay, I will be over there in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. There we go. I am gonna move down on this point and then I will make a few casts. It's right here. And then see if I have any luck. So I will let you know if I catch anything or have a bite. Wish me luck.
All right, well, I'm starting to think that there's no fish in this lake. Been fishing for, I would say, about 45 minutes or so. Gonna continue to traverse some of these rocks. Go try a little bit further down. Danny's out in front of me quite a ways. Doesn't look like he's been having any luck either. Not yet, anyways. And then again, we're only gonna be here for a little bit. We're gonna go probably fish a river here in just a few. I'm gonna set you down. I think that's far enough. Far enough there. see what happens. Oh, so we've been here for about an hour. I haven't had one single bite yet. I switched up from my yellow power bait back to the pink, and no luck yet. Dang it. It is September. It is the second weekend in September. It is September 13th. It's the first weekend of elk muzzleloading season. There have been many times I've been up in these mountains muzzleloading for elk, but this year we're fishing. I got a muzzleloading antelope tag, and I got a muzzleloading deer tag for out eastern Colorado this year, out by Lyman. So I'm looking forward to that. It's teal season. We might go duck hunting tomorrow morning, so might be busting out another video then. But for today, not too much happening on the lake. Hopefully we can get to the river and go catch some more trout. Definitely get a little bit more action. All right, so we ended up calling it quits on the reservoir. We didn't have any luck. The boys were playing in the sand, and it's time to go pick up Mom from her photo shoot. So we are on the road, gonna go pick her up, and then we'll head to the river, and hopefully we have a little bit more luck there. That's all we got. All right, so we're up on Highway 125, I believe, outside of Granby, Windy Peaks at the end. We've fished this little creek quite a bit. Danny's down there. There's this nice little turnout over here. But Danny's gonna be down there doing some fly fishing. Weston and I are gonna be up here a little bit, trying to do a little bit of sinker and worm and give it a good try. So here we go. Sean, keep going. Yeah. That's a big one. Keep your rod down. Keep your rod down a little bit. We're gonna have to bring him up. Bring him up. Can you bring him up? Whoa, man, that's a monster. Yeah, way to go, Wes. Let's see, turn around. Turn around. Nice, look at that baby. Woo-wee. That's a trout.
Just right over there.
There was a couple other. Oops, he took our worm, or our hook.
Oh,
Dang it.
he swallowed?
Yeah. Well,
What a monster.
that's a dandy. Right out of this little stream. Keep him here, okay? Good job.
What? That is so slimy.
There you go. Yep, just drop it down in that deep water over there, bud. And let it drift. Cast on the other side of the shore there, almost. Like, try to cast about right out there, okay? And let it drift down. There you go. Yep. Pull it up just a little bit. Make sure you're not stuck. Oh, he had one. That's all you got to do. Just try to keep it there on the bottom or in the middle of that stuff. Oop, you might have to recast that. It's okay. There you go. Pick your line up a little bit. Oh, there you go. You got a little one. All right, good job. That's a little guy.
Oh, my worm went all the way up.
Yeah.
Well, gonna release him.
That's a brookie. That's a little brook trout. He swallowed your thing. Darn it. We're gonna have to work that out of him. All right, got the worm out of that guy. Just a little brookie. All right, come walk right up kind of close to the edge there. Cast upstream a little bit if you can.
Daniel, don't come up here.
Weston, right in the tree. Here, you need help casting? Yeah? Okay. The stream fishing, it is tricky. All right, good job, Wes.
Wait, is that a rainbow?
Yeah, that's a pretty one. Man, good job.
I didn't know I would catch.
Yeah, I didn't know you were gonna catch them either. Man, good job. Hopefully he didn't swallow it too much, but maybe he did. All right, gonna have to do some surgery. See if Wes can catch another one right there. He was just standing right there, just casted it in the ripples and got him. That was a nice trout. All right, so the boys are definitely having a ton of fun fishing here on the creek. Got a couple of fish. Masha's over there enjoying some sun, a little refreshing water. We're having a good time. We're gonna keep fishing and we'll let you know how we do. All right, looks like Danny just caught one back here. Back in our spot. All right. Oh man, that's a nice one.
I mean, it's soft.
Good job.
Okay, no worm.
No worm, just the pink, huh? Dang, that's a nice trout. My shadow's in the way there. Dude, way to go. That's a little ice fishing jig. That's sweet.
Oh,
that's a nice one.
That perfect flat. The other one didn't move.
Yeah. Nice job. These are the two that Danny caught. These are some nice trout. Nice job, Wes. Yeah, that's another brookie. Want to keep him?
Sure.
All right, cool. Good job.
Maybe I could catch it.
You think you can catch another one?
Down there.
All right, we're just about to pack up and head out. We have had an absolute blast here today. Unfortunately, we didn't have any luck on the lake. I guess they stocked that full of tiger muskies. Not exactly sure what they're doing to the trout population, but I know that they put them in there to catch all the suckers there at Shadow Mountain. But these little rivers and streams up here, they do pretty well. I think Willow Creek is a pretty good reservoir to fish. But that's basically going to be it for today. I'm not sure if we're going to go duck hunting tomorrow or not, but if we do, we will definitely let you know. All right, well, hey, thanks a ton for watching today. I hope you had fun. If you can get out, go do some fishing, go do it, enjoy it. If you're in Colorado, let me know. I would love to have you join. So make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you on the next one.